Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently close your Venmo account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly deactivated and your information is secured. Step 1. Before closing your account, make sure to transfer your entire Venmo balance to your linked bank account. Navigate to the menu and select Transfer to Bank. Step 2. Cancel any automatic payments or scheduled transactions associated with your Venmo account to avoid payment failures after closure. Step 3. Resolve any pending transactions, disputes, or issues in your account. Venmo requires all matters to be settled before allowing account closure. Step 4. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account with your credentials. Step 5. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings from the menu options. Step 6. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Close Venmo Account or Account Closure option, usually found near the bottom. Step 7. Venmo will ask you to confirm your decision and may show a warning about losing access to your transaction history and account data. Read this information carefully. Step 8. If you are certain you want to proceed, tap Close Account or Confirm to permanently delete your Venmo account. You will receive a confirmation message once the closure is complete. Remember that once closed, you cannot reactivate the same account and will need to create a new one if you wish to use Venmo again in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.